Hi there, this is Mary from SIMPLYSUITE, and today I'm going to show you how to edit one of our photo card templates within Adobe Acrobat Reader. The first thing you want to do is pick out your template and purchase it on Etsy, and then you're going to download it. For the purposes of this demo, we're going to be working with the Marlowe printable Christmas card, and we're going to be using Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is a free software to edit the template. If you don't already have that, I'm actually going to show you how to get that now. You can scroll down in the listing, any of our listings for Adobe Acrobat Reader templates. We've got the link in there where you can download the software. I'm going to copy it here, so I've highlighted it. I'm going to press Command-C to copy. In a new tab, I'm going to paste it in the URL, and I'm going to press Enter. That takes me to this page here. The yellow button will allow me to download the Acrobat Reader DC. We don't need Acrobat Pro to edit this, so I don't suggest that you click this button. You want to click the yellow one here to download Acrobat Reader. And in just a few seconds, it'll go ahead and download. Once it's downloaded, you're going to navigate to your downloads folder, and you should be able just to double click on it, and it will open and begin to install Acrobat Reader. And so I just double clicked on that package, and then it should take you to another dialog box here where it will run through the install. And then you click install, and you want to enter your password. And the installation process will continue. Okay, so now it's all installed. I'm going to close out of this. And you can actually delete the installer if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and delete it because I don't need to take up space on my computer. So I'm going to hit Move to Trash, and it'll get rid of the installer, and I'll be left with the software itself. So we're done with that. And now I'm going to open the template. So I already downloaded this template here. You're going to want to download whichever template that you purchase as well. So this tutorial works with any of our photo cards, and it's even a good overview for non-photo cards. I'll show you how to edit the text as well. And so what you're going to do is right-click on the file you're going to open with, and you're going to want to select Adobe Acrobat Reader. You can see mine didn't show up here because I just re-downloaded it to give you guys an idea of how to do that. So what I'm going to do is select Other. And now I see Adobe Acrobat Reader DC here. So I'm going to click on that, and it will go ahead and open the file in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Okay, so we've got the file open here in Acrobat Reader. To edit the photo, all you need to do is have a square photo saved to your desktop or any other folder on your computer. You can crop square photos very easily on your smartphone, or you can use a photo editing software on your computer. I typically use my smartphone because most of my pictures are already on my smartphone, so I'll make it square and then I'll email it to myself or put it in a Dropbox folder. So what I'm going to do now, I already have my photo saved to the desktop, so I'm just going to click here, and automatically it prompts me to browse my computer to find the image. I know that my image is on my desktop, so I'm going to click Desktop, and then I'm going to click Square Wedding Photo, which is my image. You'll see that the image automatically populates, and then if I wanted to change it again, I would just click it, hit Browse, and do the same thing over again. So I'd hit Browse, find the folder, and I would select it. I like this photo, so I'm going to keep it. And then down here, I can edit all of this text. So I would want to change it to my name. And the way that we've designed this is to have a space between each of the characters and 2 spaces between each word. And I'll put Tim's full name here. So you just hit a space bar between each letter. And there we go. So now it's done and ready to print. So I could email this file to my local Staples, Office Depot, or I could even print it here on my office computer. It's really super simple, but if you have any other questions, please don't ever hesitate to reach out to us. So everything's filled in. I did forget to hit save. obviously I would have done that. You can click this save button here, or you can go to File, Save As if you want to save it as a different name. So if I hit File, Save As, I can choose a different folder and put it on the desktop as well and change this to 2018 Christmas card. And now it has a new name, so I'll hit save and it will save it as well. And just to show you that that worked, I closed out of it. Now we're going to open this again with Acrobat Reader, and you see my picture is still there. Even though in the thumbnail it shows something different, don't worry about that. Everything is still here. So if you guys have any questions at all or need any help, always feel free to message me on Etsy. I'm happy to help. Thanks so much for watching.